live on the scene. Mr. Sadler, what are you listening to when you run? What lap is this?
I think 7.
That's not true at all. What's your favorite memory from the senior class?
Riding away from me.
Well, looks like Mr. Sadler won the race. It's too fast. Let me tell you, if you want to run with God, run with Mr. Sadler. What specific class from high school was your favorite class?
My English class this year with Miss Klein, environmental science class with Mr. Aikenhead, my sophomore year Latin class.
Mr. Genetti's English class last year.
My math class last year.
Miss Pioli's class, junior year.
Sustainability! Because I get to touch trash, be with all my friends outside.
Any words of advice for seniors graduating this year?
You know, enjoy the ride.
Enjoy your time in college.
Enjoy college because it's your first time that you're going to get to truly be with people your own age all the time. Be present in the moment.
You get to explore new ideas and meet new people. Think about yourself in new ways.
And just experience everything.
What's a teacher that has left an impact on you?
Miss Pioli, Miss Canetta, Mr. Genetti, Miss Sweezy.
Probably Mr. Madar.
I'll say Miss Labrie and Miss Canetta.
Mr. Long left an impact on me.
Miss Cole.
Never even had her.
Do your best impression of a teacher at Weston High School.
My name is Mr. Sadler.
Not supposed to say their name.
Pick someone new, shall we?
Put your head down!
What is your favorite memory from the senior class?
Trench warfare.
I think it was period 8. Philip was in that class. That group wanted to try out the shower. Boy, did they try it out.
Well, I guess just in general, this is my first year. Creating new memories were all good ones.
And who would you say is the smartest student in your standard statistics class?
Are we ranking it off all the people currently in the room? People in this room right now?
So I've had them for 4 years. Every advisory that we won, obviously. When I twinned with Dave sophomore year, our pizza off. Anytime we had a debate or discussion in class, when they all dressed up for their UN simulations. I have so many memories of the senior class because I've known them for so long and I'm really, truly gonna miss them. They're a special bunch.
If you were an animal, what animal would you be and why?
Do I have to ask that question?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I would be a wolf.
You like an alpha?
No, probably not. Beta, most likely a beta. If they were a tree, what kind of tree would they be?
I'm gonna go with a weeping willow.
Let's go with if you were an inanimate object.
Maybe like a boulder. It just lasts forever.
And what question should I ask the next person?
If you could be an animate object, what would you be?
All right, Nick Posek.
A tree.
What kind of tree?
A little pine tree.
Cheeky little pine tree. And what should I ask the next person? I could say, what are your thoughts on Nick Posek?
Sure.
What are your thoughts on Nick Posek? If you could be an inanimate object, what would you be?
What would you be?
Well, I haven't thought about it.
Has anybody interviewed you, though? Depends on your answer. What would you be?
Maybe like an exercise ball. I don't know why I said that. A tree's good. That we got second tree. What kind of tree?
An oak tree.
I like that.
To the ground, you got the sun, the leaves. You can branch out.
What should I ask the next person I interview?
What is the meaning of life?
What's the meaning of life?
No idea.
And then what should I ask the next person?
What did they have for lunch today?
Oh, that's great.
I haven't eaten yet, but I'm going to have coconut yogurt. What are you doing this summer?
I'm going to Italy and swimming. That's sick as what should I ask the next person? What they're doing this summer.
Going to camp and I'm going to go to Italy.
What should I ask the next person?
What are you looking forward to doing the most this summer?
Enjoying the weather.
What should I ask the next person?
Ask Miles what his hobbies are.
What are your hobbies?
I play lacrosse, fishing, I like to fish, hanging out with Hudson.
What should I ask the next person?
What's their favorite color?
You don't have a favorite color? Roman, you got your ears pierced. What's your favorite color?
Teal.
Have you tried hoops yet?
No, I have not.
What should I ask the next person?
Summer activities. Favorite summer activities.
What are your favorite summer activities?
Going to the beach.
What question should I ask the next person I interview?
What's their favorite candy?
Whatever the candy man's got.
Who's the candy man?
That's the candy man.
Candy man?
Who their favorite teacher is.
Who's
favorite Mr. Sadler?
Of course.
Love that man. What's up, bro? Friends and learning. Today, we're talking about my favorite subject.
Disney.
Yes. Love Mickey Mouse.
And what should I ask the next person I interview? What question?
What their favorite Disney character is?
Belle,
Ooh, I like that answer.
if there was one thing you wanted the cafeteria to serve for lunch, what would it be?
Honestly, like frozen yogurt.
Winter. Thoughts.
Cold.
Spring thoughts.
Spring. Thoughts?
It's really nice. A lot of pollen, but I like it. What do they think about the ice cream sandwiches?
I think they're yum. And what question should I ask the next person I interview? Pickles or leaves? Pickles or leaves?
Pickles. Pickles. Cucumbers or sticks?
Steak.
What's their favorite hat?
My Yankees hat. No, what's their favorite summer activity?
Give me sailing. Favorite color?
I have to go with blue on that one. What are they doing after high school?
Ben, what are you doing after high school ends?
After high school? I mean, I'm still in high school in Germany, so I have 3 months.
Afterwards,
Probably studying. What's their favorite song, maybe?
I like that answer. SIBO. Charlie Puth.
Remember that? That's from a
You
while.
like Charlie Puth? And what should I ask the next person I interview?
Free will, dude.
Okay, I'll say free will.
Oh yeah, two-time pioneering champion.
That's crazy. Did you train?
I did not train actually. It's all mentality. You have to mentally prepare yourself for a situation like that.
So first, you want to fast for about 13 hours pre-pot eating. You want to do a lot of jaw exercises.
So, a lot of mewing, get that movement.
Yeah.
Well, a lot of tongue movement there too. Yeah, you want to do some tongue training. Yeah, that's about it. It's pretty easy. Their 8th favorite colors.
Probably yellow, like the Minions. 3rd favorite animal.
Dog. 3rd favorite month of the year.
Mr. Sadler, what is your 3rd favorite month of the year?
June,
What's your first 2?
July, and August. What are you most happy about with the seniors leaving?
With all of my favorite classmates, I'm gonna miss them all next year.
And do you have any jarring questions that I can ask the next person I interview?
What's your favorite flavor of pickle?
Dill.
Anything to say to the people?
It's been a great run.
Do you want to plug anything?
Plug the Insta.
Follow him on Instagram, guys. And what should I ask the next person I interview?
How likely are you to come back to Weston?
I hate it here. I'm never coming back.
And that's like, anything to say? This is the last time.
Pause it. Oh, Mom? Color your socks.
What's your favorite color? Ooh, gosh, my kids ask me this all the time. It shouldn't be a tough question, I know. Purple?
What kind of purple?
Royal purple?
I like that.
Yeah, or like a rich plum, maybe.
I like a rich plum. What question should I ask the next person I ask?
Oh, God. Anything at all. What's your greatest ambition in life?
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, that's good.
It's a brownie with ice cream and caramel sauce.
You want to ask a question for Trojan TV? Thanks. Do you ever get tired of listening to your own voice?
What is a skibbity toilet?
Okay, thank you.
A very Sigma object, if you will. It's very goated.
Okay, so that wraps up calculus for today. I don't know if anyone else has any other questions.
I do. How goated is skibbity toilet?
So skibbity toilet originated on
YouTube. It looks like a dinosaur toilet, like something like this, okay? And then
is actually. So would this be alpha? It's sigma, actually. Any other questions?
Yeah, I have one.
Yeah.
How many phantom taxes is goated?
I think the answer to the phantom taxes was earlier in class when.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back to Trojan TV. To Trojan TV. To Trojan TV. Today we're going undercover. Happy New Year and welcome back. Which teams do you think will be most successful in winning SWC? What are your Powerpuff predictions? What would your walkout song be? If you could take any celebrity to counties, who would you take? Which teacher has the best style? What's your homecoming song request? What's your Thanksgiving hot take? What is your float? What's your vibe check on these new teachers? What do you think of them? What's your iPhone wallpaper? If they could take any teacher with them to a dessert island, who would they take and why? What's the true meaning of Christmas? Frankincense or myrrh? Socks or candy? Who's your Valentine? What advice do you have for incoming freshmen? Ben.
Favorite memory from all of high school, you said? You got one on the top of your head?
It's bolognese.
That's some good pasta right there.
My sweetie pie. I thought about you for.
Oh, I wasn't expecting to catch that, honestly.
Happy Halloween.
Jingle bells.
High school scared you at all?
Well.
Would you rather have a trick or a treat right now?
A trick.
From the soul.
Coach Psycho, what time is it?
It's prime time.
People have thought you to be a hidden leprechaun.
Well, just keep that down.
What's one piece of advice you'd give to freshmen?
Don't get married.
Mr. Sadler!
No, I feel packed.
Oh, like positively achieving community together?
Yeah. This teacher in the school. I don't want to be interviewed right now. Please leave. I'm not really in the mood right now. Leave me alone. Do you ever get the impression that I'm ignoring you?
Never.
You should pay attention more often. When you retire, are you going to go back to work? Reed, what do you think?
No.
If you retire, would you go back to work?
Never.
You make that happen maybe tomorrow for me?
There they are, Miles Fine and Tom Martin.
New York Giants suck.
No, everything here just seems perfectly normal.
Belly button removal.
Reese's Pieces.
Positive pregnancy test.
Benedict Cumberbatch.
Who in Weston High School is most likely to be a leprechaun?
Colin Cha-Cha Hayes.
Colin Hayes, 100%.
Colin Hayes.
Colin Hayes.
Colin Hayes.
Colin Hayes. Colin Hayes.
Colin Hayes.
Colin Hayes.
Colin Hayes. It's Colin Hayes. Are you a leprechaun?
Male Trojans and lady Trojans. Know your enemy.
Primes, I'm on the move.
Turkey galantine and raw oysters.
I'm celebrating Thanksgiving.
Yeah, I have no idea what it is.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a beautiful day for football here at Weston High School.
I'm here with
Hudson Weinberg. Hudson Weinberg. Hudson Weinberg. I love that hat.
I'd rather sit home than help kids that need help.
In is oxygen. Out is nitrogen.
Take a candy.
Thank you.
Take some candy.
Thank you.